This Mazda GTR is one of a kind, a very rare vehicle, very tidy condition, and we're very proud that we're part of the project. From the outside this engine looks completely stock, but in actual fact it makes now over 300 horsepower to the wheels. We've rebuilt the block with CP pistons and some eagle rods. The rotating assembly was balanced and we increased the compression ratio of the engine. We poured and polished the cylinder heads and we added some upgraded cams as well as solid lifters. The engine package is very responsive, and in this light chassis it's a very fun car to drive.
I like the idea of taking old cars and bringing into modernity.
Thanks again, Matt, for choosing Possum Bourne Motorsport.